Welcome to Day to Win competition classes. Today I will be discussing all military exercise with India. In this lecture I have included 27 countries which used to do military exercise with our country India. In this it includes Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. I have also included 4 multiple choice questions and at the last I have included summary of all the exercises with all the countries and which are most important for the examination point of view. So let's start our class. In this lecture you will be seeing list of countries which are doing military exercises with India, second multiple choice questions and third summary of all the exercises. So the first country is Australia. With Australia we used to undergo two exercises, that is AUS Index 2018 which I have undergone in 2018, that is a naval exercise, and other is Pitch Black. If in the question it is asked that Pitch Black exercise is related to, you will mark Australia. Let us see our next country. Our next country is Bangladesh. With Bangladesh, we used to undergo as two exercises as well as military and also as navy. With military, we used to undergo Sampriti. In 2019, we have undergone Sampriti 9. That is part of ongoing Indo-Bangladesh Defence Cooperation, a joint military training exercise. Sampriti 9 is being conducted at Umroi, Meghalaya. So you can see that Sampriti 9 is a very important exercise we used to undergo with our neighboring country, that is Bangladesh. In the Navy point of view, we used to undergo India-Bangladesh Corporate Exercise, that is Navy to participate in maiden bilateral drill at Vishakhapatnam. As you can see, the location is at Vishakhapatnam. As you can see, in Sampriti 9, the location is at Meghalaya. So these are also used to ask in examination point of view. It will be asked in examination that Sampriti 9 is related to, you will write Bangladesh. India Bangladesh Corporate is related to, you will write Bangladesh. As you can see in this corporate exercise, you can easily identify by the name BN, it is related to Bangladesh. So the main point will be here is that Sampriti is related to this point you should remember that Sampriti is related to Bangladesh. Okay, so let us see our next country. This country is Brazil and South Africa. So with Brazil and South Africa, we used to undergo IBSAMAR, that is India, Brazil, South Africa maritime exercise. So as you can see in the chart, I have included that IBSAMAR 4 held in South Africa in 2014, IBSAMR 5 held in Goa, India in 2016, and IBSAMR 6 held in Simonstown, South Africa in 2018. So you can remember from here that IBSAMR exercise is related to, so you will write that IBSAMR exercise is related to India, Brazil and South Africa countries. Okay, so let us see our next country. Our next country is China. With China, we used to undergo hand-in-hand military exercises. Our latest hand-in-hand military exercise, that is the 8th India-China joint training exercise, hand-in-hand 2019 held, and the theme of the exercise was counter-terrorism. It held in Meghalaya in Umroi district. So it is very important hand-in-hand exercise for China. It is always asked in the examination. So let us see our next country. Our next country is France. With France, Indo-French joint military exercise Shakti 2019. So where it is Shakti, you will mark France. Exercise Shakti is a military drill held in Rajasthan. We have another exercise, that is Varuna 19.1 is the first part held in Indo-French joint naval exercise being conducted off Goa coast, and the second Varuna 9.2 is conducted in Djibouti in Africa. So as I have summarized below, that Varuna is a naval exercise, Garuda is a exercise of air exercise, that Indian Air Force exercise, and Shakti is a army exercise. So whenever question will come related to Shakti and Varuna, your mind should strike that it is related to France. So it is very important because France is very important country as terms of economical relationship, and also China was a very important country in terms of economical relationship. So you should remember China and France both. Let us see our next country. It is Indonesia. So with Indonesia, we used to undergo exercise like Garuda Shakti. Garuda Shakti is a joint military exercise between India and Indonesia. The other exercise is India-Indonesia Corpat 2019 that took place in Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Island, India. The other exercise is Samudra Shakti 2019. So as you have seen as Shakti, only exercise Shakti in France. Here it is Garuda Shakti. Here it is Samudra Shakti. So if you see in the examination like Samudra Shakti, if you are seeing the examination like Garuda Shakti, you will mark as Indonesia. And as you can see here, India, Indo, so you can easily identify that is related to Indonesia, though it will not come in examination. If it is there to come in examination, it will come Garuda Shakti or Samudra Shakti only. Let us see our next country. Our next country is Israel. So with Israel, only one exercise is there, that is blue flag. Just remember this. It is not so important. Let us see our next country. Our next country is Japan. Very important. Japan. We have 3 exercises with Japan till date. First is Dharma Garjan 2019. India Japan joint military exercise, underway military exercise. Okay, it is a military exercise held in Assam Silchar. The other is Shinu Matri joint military exercise between India and Japan in Panagarh Air Force Base, West Bengal. Okay, the second. The third is Sahyog Kajin Japan and India Coast Guard exercise in Chennai. So it is a naval exercise. So in Japan, if question used to come Guardian, so you should strike that it is related to Japan. And if it comes with a letter of S, that Shinu Matri or Sahyog Kajin, you should strike that is related to Japan. Okay, so remember these 3 exercise of Japan. It is very important. Let us see our next country. Our next country is Kazakhstan. Is a Kazakhstan exercise which used to undergone, that is Kazind, between India and Kazakhstan army. Okay, army held in Pithogarh, Uttarakhand. So if it comes in examination, you can easily identify that KAZ is Kazakhstan. Okay, let us see the next country. It is Kyrgyzstan. So this Kyrgyzstan joint training exercise name is Khanjar 5, concluded after a joint tactical validation exercise and a closing ceremony held at counter-insurgency jungle warfare at Veringte in Mizoram. So it held in Mizoram, and the exercise which we undergo with Kyrgyzstan is Khanjar. Okay, so if Khanjar used to come, you should strike that it is related to Kyrgyzstan. The next exercise with the country is Malaysia. It is very important. It used to come in examination also, that is Harimau Shakti. So there are many words related to Shakti, so you have to remember in mind that which country we are undergoing exercises, because the Shakti, with many countries we are using the word Shakti. So with Malaysia we are using Harimau Shakti. Harimau Shakti 2018 will be conducted between India and Malaysia in the dense forest of Sengai, Perdik in Hulu Langar district of Malaysia. And the other exercise is India Malaysia Corpat, Indian Navy Myanmar Navy bilateral exercise in Visakhapatnam. So according to the current slide, in Malaysia only one is important, that is Harimau Shakti is important in this slide. Okay, let us see our next country. Our next country is Maldives. The 10th edition of joint military exercise Yukuverin between the Indian Army and Maldives National Defence Force held in 2019 only in 7th to 20 October, that is a week or 2 weeks of exercise in Pune, Maharashtra. Yukuverin means friends. And the other exercise which held in 2018 is Indian Navy Marine Commando Cadre with, that is Ekta 2018. So with Maldives, 2 exercises are important, exercise Yukuverin and exercise Ekta 2018. Okay, to keep that in mind. Okay, let us see our next country. Our next country is Mongolia. With Mongolia, we used to undergo nomadic elephant. So if in the question, if it comes nomadic elephant, you will mark Mongolia. Okay, this is a military exercise, joint military exercise held in Baklo in Himachal Pradesh. So you should remember this. Okay, our next country is Myanmar. This is important because it is asked in examination. The second edition of India-Myanmar bilateral army exercise with Myanmar, name is IMPEX 2018-19, was organized at Chandi Mandir military station at Panchkula district in Haryana. So this is asked in examination, that at which station, that is which location the army exercise held. So you should remember this also. The other is 2019 Indo-Myanmar coordinated patrol commenced at Andaman Nicobar Island. That is the Indian Navy exercises which is held in IMCOR. So as you can see here, with Myanmar we have undergone 2 exercises, that is IMBEX and IMCOR. So with my number, these two exercises which will be important for you, along with it is organized at which place. So you should remember the location also, that where the exercise was held. So let us move over to our next country. With Nepal, everyone knows that Surya Kiran is the most important military exercise we used to held in each and every year with our neighboring country. So in some examination it is asked. So where you see Surya Kiran, just mark it as Nepal, the option, it will be right. And this 14th edition of military exercise was conducted in Nepal, but its previous edition was conducted in Uttarakhand, that is the 13th. Okay, so keep both in mind, it may be asked in the examination. Let us see our next country. Our next country is Oman. With Oman, we have done three exercises. There is first in Nasim Al Bahar, 12th edition of Indo-Oman bilateral naval exercise, which held in Goa. So you should remember this. The first exercise Nasim Al Bahar. The second exercise Eastern Bridge 5. Air exercise 5th edition between India and Oman in air base of Masira, Oman. That is, first is the naval exercise Nasim Al Bahar. The second is the air exercise Eastern Bridge 5. And the third is Army exercise Al Naga 2019, held in Al Jabe Al Khadar mountains in Oman in 2019. So we have here all three Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force exercises with Oman. So remember it, it is important for examination point of view. Let us see our 17th country, that is Qatar. With Qatar, the bilateral maritime exercise Zair al-Bahr 2019. The meaning of Zair al-Bahr is the roar of the sea, held in conducted in Doha, Qatar. With Qatar, we have one exercise, that is Zair al-Bahr, that is the roar of the sea. Okay, so this is important. So keep revising, it will come in the mind of yours and you will know, you will never forget this. Let us see our next slide. Our next country is Russia. So Russia is very, very important. These two to come examination, both have already came. The first is Indira 2019. A joint tri-service exercise between India and Russia was conducted at Babina near Jhansi, Pune and Goa. The other is Avia Indira 2018, the previous edition between Indian Air Force and Russia Federation Air Space Force RFSAF was held in Air Force Station Jodhpur, Rajasthan. So if you see in the question Avia Indira or Indra, that is India and Russia, that Russia is taken here as the word RA and India as IND. So remember in mind that it is related to Russia. Okay, let us see our next country. Our next country is Seychelles. Seychelles is a group of archipelago islands in Indian Ocean and located at the part of East Africa. So if you see the map, you will be seeing this is a country with a group of islands. India has undergone an exercise known as Lamite 2018 bilateral military exercise. Keep in mind, military exercise between Indian Army and Seychelles People Defence Force, held in Mahé Island in Seychelles only. So this exercise was held in Seychelles only with Indian Army and Seychelles People's Defence Force. So this is also our neighboring country in Indian Ocean. So remember this as a single one. This is important for examination point of view. This may be asked. Let us see our 20th country, that is Singapore. India-Singapore began SIMBEX 2019 naval exercise in South China Sea. This is important for the examination. Other is Agni Warrior, is an army exercise, and the third is Bold Kurukshetra, joint military exercise of India and Singapore, was inaugurated at Babina cantonment of Jhansi. So as you can see, with Singapore we have exercise naval as SIMBEX, the second is Agni Warrior as army, and the third is Bold Kurukshetra as joint military exercise, that is an army exercise. So if you see in the examination like Agni, mark it as Singapore, or SIMBEX, mark it as Singapore, or Bold Kurukshetra as Singapore. Okay, so for remembering all this, you have to continuously revise, keep seeing my videos, you will remember this, and keep seeing, please be updated with the current affairs, because this edition of Bold Kurukshetra may extend to version 1, version 2, SIMBEX will increase to its version and Agni Warrior will not increase to its version. It keeps on updating with current affairs, you will all remember all the things. Let us see our next country is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is with Sri Lanka we have undergone exercise the SLINEX, the bilateral maritime exercise between India and Sri Lanka. This is the latest version, SLINEX 2019. The other Mitra Shakti 7th edition we have undergone in the 2019. The 7th Indo-Sri Lanka joint military exercise held in Pune, in Audh military station, Pune. So these are all current affairs based data. Keep learning current affairs, you will always remember. So with Sri Lanka we have seen that Sri Lanka we have undergone Mitra Shakti, okay, keep in mind Mitra Shakti, friend, Mitra Shakti 7, and SLINEX, that is Sri Lanka SL, Sri Lanka with SL, that is Sri Lanka, and that is IN with India, and EX means exercise. Remember like this, you will easily remember. Okay, let us see our next country. Our next country is Thailand. Thailand, we have undergone exercise Maitri 2019 at Foreign Training Node Umrah in Meghalaya, and the other is 28th edition of India-Thailand Coordinated Patrol Indo-Thai Corpat between Indian Navy and Royal Thai Navy RTN is being conducted. So, my dear students, you have to remember that exercise Maitri is related to Thailand. So this is used to come in examination. Please remember it. Let us see our 23rd country. Very important. Britain, UK. Okay, the first is Indra Dhanush exercise. Okay, Air Force exercise Indra Dhanush. Okay, the second is Indian Navy exercise Konkan. Okay, Navy exercise Konkan exercise. And the third is Indo-UK joint exercise, Army exercise Ajaya Warrior, military exercise Ajaya Warrior is related to which country? You have to remember that it is Indo-UK joint exercise. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, let us see our next country. So in UK you have to remember that we have undergone 3 exercises, that is Indra Dhanush exercise. With Navy we have undergone Konkan exercise, and with Army we have undergone Indo-UK joint exercise, that is related to Ajaya Warrior, that is this one. Okay, I have not mentioned it here to see here that this is here only. Okay, Ajaya Warrior. Our next country is USA. With USA we have undergone 3 exercises. So this is very important for the examination. The first is Vajra Prahar 2019, the 10th edition of joint military exercise between India and United States will be held at Joint Base Lewis McChord JBLM in Seattle, US. Okay, so Vajra Prahar is the first exercise we have undergone. The second is Yudh Abhyas 2019, a joint military exercise led in Washington. And the third is Scope India 2019, the latest one, Indian Air Force and US Air Force held this exercise at Kalikunda and Panagarh Air Force Base in West Bengal. So remember as USA is Vajra Prahar, Yudh Abhyas and Scope India. Our 25th country we are undergoing, okay, this Desert Eagle exercise between United Arab Emirates Air Force and Indian Air Force. This is the Navy exercise. Okay, there is Desert Eagle. This is been asked in questions in previous examination. Okay, so keep in mind that Desert Eagle is related to United Arab Emirates. Our 26th country. So we are leading with so many countries. Just be proud of being an Indian. Uzbekistan. Okay, let's see this as the SLIC 2019. The first ever India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise will begin at Chirchik training area near Tashkent. So this is the first exercise. As you can see in the slide that our defense minister Sri Rajnath Singh is the air chief standing with Uzbekistan forces and Indian forces. So this is the first ever joint military training exercise. So this may come in the examination like the SLIC 2019 is related to which country? The answer will be Uzbekistan. The 27 is the last country is Vietnam. Is WinBack 2018. In a first, the armies of India and Vietnam have begun a 6-day long military exercise in Jabalpur and Madhya Pradesh. So keep in mind that WinBacks is related to Vietnam. So we have completed all the countries, 27 countries with which India used to undergo military exercises. Let us take some MCQ. The first is Garuda Shakti 3 is the military exercise between India and which country? So if you remember, I have told you in the slide that Garuda Shakti is related to Indonesia. Okay, I have marked here also. I have written here the answer also, so you can easily remember and take the screenshot. It is just for all of you to get an idea that how the question used to come in the examination. Let us see our next question. Our next question is the bilateral military exercise Harimau Shakti 2018 will be conducted between India and which country? I have told you that Harimau Shakti will be with Malaysia. So don't be confused with the word associated with Shakti. Okay, just try to remember it. Okay, this is with Malaysia. Harimau Shakti 2018 was held between India and Malaysia. Let us see our next MCQ. Our next multiple choice question is India Myanmar bilateral exercise IMBEX held at which of the following place? I have told you there only that remember the place where exercise held. This is the answer is Chandi Mandir military station, which is in Haryana. Okay, remember this. Okay, Haryana IMBEX. Okay. Our next question is Desert Eagle 2 is the bilateral air combat exercise between India and United Arab Emirates. So very important exercise, Desert Eagle 2. This version is 2, second edition. So we have completed the multiple choice question. Now we will be discussing each and every country with a type of military, air force or navy exercises. And these are all I have bought it at a single place so that you can take a screenshot and you can easily remember this. All discussion I have done so that you can get a brief view and you can easily imagine in your mind that what are the countries which we used to do military exercises. So let us discuss all these military exercises. The first is Sampriti. Sampriti is a military exercise which held in Bangladesh. Nomadic elephant, if you can remember, I have told in the slide also, it is held in Mongolia. Indra, या फिर Avia Indra, it is a military exercise which held in Russia. Avia Indra, Russia, okay, hand in hand, China. Ajia Warrior, United Kingdom. Konkan, United Kingdom, this is a new one. Indra Dhanush, new one, United Kingdom. UK variant, Maldives, I have told you earlier. Surya Kiran, if you see Surya Kiran, just mark it as Nepal. Garuda Shakti, Indonesia. Samudra Shakti, Indonesia. Military exercise. Okay, so if you see this slide, you can easily relate that with which country which exercise is related and with which type. Okay, so you can easily remember. So please take a snapshot of this. You can easily remember. Let us see our next slide. Okay, let us discuss here. Mitra Shakti, I have told you that is related to Sri Lanka. Khanjar, I have told you that is related to Kyrgyzstan. Maitri, I have told you related to Thailand. Prabal Dostik, I have not told you this is related to Kazakhstan. Okay. Imbax, related to Myanmar. Youth Abhyas, related to United States. Vajra Prahar, United States. Cope India, United States. Shakti, only Shakti, France. Keep this in mind. Varuna 19.1, 19.2, I have told you that is related to France. Garuda, related to France. Harimau Shakti, related to France. Milex, is BIMSTEC nations, okay, related to military exercise, joint exercise. This is a joint exercise. Let us see our next slide. Next is this. Okay, see this first. This is Dharma Guardian related to Japan. Okay, Dharma Guardian exercise related to Japan. Sinu Matri, I have told you that related to Japan. Al Naga, I have told you, Oman. Eastern Bridge 5, I have told you that is Oman. Lamite, Seychelles, I have told you that only exercise with this Seychelles is Lamite. Remember this. Winbacks related to Myanmar, I have told, it is Vietnam. Winbacks related to Vietnam. Okay. Agni Warrior is related to Singapore. I have told you this, yes. Simbex is related to Singapore. Bold Kurukshetra related to Singapore. That is with Singapore we have 3 exercises. Okay. With Oman we have 2 exercises. Remember like this. And with Japan we have 2 and 1 previous we have discussed. Okay. Desert Eagle, that is United Arab Emirates. Malabar, that is India, USA and Japan. 3 we have done a Navy exercise. I have not told you this. So please remember this also. I will try to cover in my upcoming lectures about this. Sahyog, Heidi Beloit, that is with South Korea, that is Coast Guard exercise. So all the discussion which I have done, you need to revise continuously so that you can remember all the military exercises, and in the least time you can recall in your mind in the examination. Keep listening to my videos, take the screenshot of all the summary which I have made in the table, keep remembering it. Thank you.